Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So today I continue our lesson integration of trigonometric function. Okay. So objective is the same as before. Okay, so we continue with 1.2 1.4 power of secant and tangent. Okay. So we begin with trigonometric identities derived from cos square x plus sine square x equal to 1 and two basic integral formulas. So we have secant. So identity that we use is secant square x equal to tangent square x plus 1. Then integral secant square x dx is equal to tangent x plus c. And integrate tangent square x dx equal to integrate of secant square x minus 1 dx equal to tangent x minus x plus c. Okay, where we use the substitution identity. So tangent square ni from identity atas ni. Okay, from the identity. So we have tangent square x equal to secant square x minus 1. Then integrate secant square, we use integration yang atas tu, secant square x equal to tangent x. Integrate 1 dapat x plus c. Okay, so we use this integral. Okay, powers of tangent is odd. Okay, so when we get the question tangent is odd, so what we have to do is we use the method of SIS. Okay, so the first one, split off a factor of secant x tangent x. Okay, identity used is tangent square x equal to secant square x minus 1, and we use the substitution u equal to secant x. So when substitution u equal to secant x, what is our du? Okay, differentiate secant dapat tangent secant tangent kan. Okay, so that du is equal to secant x tangent x dx. Okay, so this is the differentiation. So kena ingat Okay, example A, differentiate tangent cube x secant x dx. Okay. Okay, so we get the question with tangent odd. Alright, so we have to solve tangent odd first using the step in tangent odd. Okay, so the first step is split. Okay, so split lah dulu. Integrate tangent cube x secant x dx. Okay, so become integrate tangent square x tangent x secant x dx. Okay, and then we use identity. So what is identity that we use? So identity, okay, tangent square x equal to secant square x minus 1. Right, so substitute tangent square ni secant square x minus 1. Okay, tangent x secant x dx. Okay, and then let u, okay, using substitution. So we let u equal to secant x. So then du dx equal to secant x tangent x. Okay, so kalau dx apa? So du dx, kalau saya nak dx je, du over secant x tangent x. Okay, substitute the substitution into our equation. So is equal to integrate secant is u, so u squared minus 1. Okay, then we have tangent x secant x dx. Dx is equal to du over secant x tangent x. Okay, so we can eliminate secant tangent ni. Secant x tangent x, tangent x secant x. So Simplify, we get u square minus 1 du. Okay, so nampak dia jadi mudah. Okay, integrate u square is u cube over 3 minus u plus c. Okay, so next apa kita nak buat? Substitute back the u. So u is equal to secant cube x over 3 minus secant x plus c. So this is the answer, right? Okay, B. Okay, B, you all buat. Saya bagi jawapan. So B, the answer of B is secant power of x power of 8x over 8 minus secant power of 5. Salah, power of 6. Power of 6x over 3 plus secant power of 4x over 4 plus c. Okay, so the answer for B, right? Okay, I'm doing C. Okay, C. Okay, then we have secant, integrate tangent x secant power of 4x dx. Okay, so right now we have tangent power of 1 je. 1, tapi dia tetap odd. So memang kita akan guna. So untuk yang tangent kuasa 1 ni, tak payahlah split. Nak split dengan apa kan? So no need to split. Okay. Okay, we jump to step 2, identity. Okay, kita guna terus identity. Okay, so identity we use tangent square x. Tak payahlah guna identity juga kan? Sebab tangent square x, identity kita ada tangent je. Right? So tak payah guna identity. So kita guna terus substitution. Okay. So u is equal to secant x. Okay. So du is equal to secant x tangent x dx. Okay. So what is our dx? Du over secant x tangent x. Alright. So substitute dalam soalan. So integrate. Okay. So become kita nak ambil secant 1 So secant tu jadi secant kuasa 3x secant x tangent x dx. Kenapa kita split secant? Because kita nak eliminate dengan yang bawah ni nanti. Okay, kita nak eliminate dengan ni. Kan dia secant kuasa 1 ni. Okay. Then kita nak buat apa? Buat u substitution tadi tu, gantilah ni u kuasa 3. So secant x tangent x dx. So dx kita apa? Du over secant x tangent x. Okay, so kita eliminate secant tangent. So that we integrate u power of 3 du. So the answer is u power of 4 over 4 plus c. So substitute back ku. So secant power of 4x over 4 plus c. So this is our answer. Alright. Okay, and then we continue 1.2.6, power of secant is even. Okay, so bila kita dapat power secant kita even, okay, so we use the same method SIS. So the first one is split secant power of m to secant power of m minus 2 and secant square x. Ya, kita tolak 2. Then identity use is secant square x. Secant square x equal to 1 plus tangent square x. And then this our substitution is u equal to tangent x. So what is our du? Okay, what is our du? So du is equal to secant square x dx. Differentiate u equal equal to tangent x is the secant square x dx, right? Okay. Okay, example. So A, integrate tangent power of 4x secant square x dx. Okay, so we have tangent power of even, secant power of even. Okay, bila ada tangent even, secant even, memang kita akan guna formula SIS untuk secant is even. Okay, so the first step is split. Kita nak split macam mana? Split secant m minus 2x, dia tolak 2, and secant square. Sebenarnya dia nak jadikan secant square. Kalau untuk soalan kita ni, secant tu dah square, so kita biar je. Okay, and then step 1 kita boleh biarkan. Sebab apa? Sebab secant tu dah square. Sebenarnya aim dia nak secant tu square. Okay, step 2, use identity. So we use the identity of u equal to tangent x. Okay, so du equal to secant square x dx. Okay, so ni kenapa kita nak tinggalkan secant square? Sebab ni lah. Okay, kita nak eliminate dengan yang ni. Sebab tu kena ada secant square tu. Okay, so what is our dx? So du over secant square x, right? And then substitute into our equation, integrate tangent. Okay, tangent is u, so u power of 4 secant square x dx. Salah, dx ni du apa? Du over secant square x. Okay, nampak tak? Kita boleh eliminate secant square x, secant square x. So our integration form is become integrate u power of 4 du. So the answer is u power of 5 over 5 plus c. So substitute back the u. So u is tangent power of 5x over 5 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, B, I'm leave it for you. So I'm giving you the answer. So B, the answer of B is equal to tangent cube x over 3 plus tangent x plus c. Okay, so this is for B. C, okay, I'm doing C for you. Okay, alright, C. Integrate tangent power of 6x secant power of 4x dx. Okay, so the first one is split. Nampak tak secant tu kuasa 4? So kita akan split secant kuasa 2, secant kuasa 2. Okay, so integrate tangent power of 6x secant power of 4x dx. Okay, split first. Integrate tangent power of 6x secant square x secant square x dx. Okay, and then using the identity. So what is identity? Yang kita nak guna secant square x equal to tangent square x plus 1. Right? So is equal to integrate tangent power of 6x. Okay, ni tukarlah. Tangent square x plus 1 secant square x dx. Okay. Okay, kita dah masuk ke identity. Next, guna u substitution. So u is equal to tangent x. So du equal to secant square x dx. Okay, so substitute dalam equation kita. Integrate tangent is u, so u power of 6. Okay, ni u square plus 1. Secant square x dx is du. Secant square x dx is equal to du. So du. Right? So expand so that we get u power of, integrate u power of 8 plus u power of 6 du. Okay, so integrate u power of 9 over 9 plus u power of 7 over 7 plus c. So substitute back the u. So we get tangent power of 9x over 9 plus tangent power of 7x over 7 plus c. Okay, So this is the answers. Alright. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you from me. See you next video.